What's up, guys?
Yo,
we're back
what's
with another
up?
video, and we're here with Frog, which
Yep.
he's like always in my videos. He's an OG.
Yeah.
And today we're making a golden gun. A golden gun, guys. You okay, Frog? Uh-oh. Guys, I think something happened to him. Well, we could do it without him. We can. I'll try. No, it's really hard. Where did he go? Do you guys want to know where my bag is? No. You here, Frog? Wait. Oh, maybe he doesn't know the codes. Well, where'd my pickaxe go? Oh, I'm stuck.
They said they're putting it down 5:30. You're never gonna see these. Bro, if that John fell over and I would kill it.
Yeah, I'm just chilling. Let's
Yo,
see.
sorry. My internet's really bad.
It's okay. Did you peer offline already?
Yeah, I will do that now.
I'm peer offline too.
When I disappear, you have to appear online. So I can
are you
join
ready?
you.
Are you ready? You have a. You need a bag and a pickaxe. Here, have this bag. I just bought this
No,
bag.
I can
for
buy
you.
them. Don't worry. Wait. I got the lucky bag.
You need. Yeah, come on, let's go. You're gonna collect.
Or should I get the block? I don't know.
You're gonna collect the duckies, okay?
So why do you have? Wait. Let me get something.
Do you need it? Do you have a key card?
Yeah, but I think I do, but let me
I
get
have a key
something.
card right here. I have
Where
a
is
key
it?
card right here.
Yeah, I know.
Wait. Okay, you ready?
Yeah. We have to go quick because my VR is at 2. And I say quick because my VR goes so fast down.
Why didn't you charge it?
I did! And I was at 67! But then I had to wait for so long for you because I had an alarm for 1 hour. I actually did. I had the alarm on my phone. Hour.
It's been an hour, didn't it? Hasn't it? Or no?
It's been more than an hour.
Oh.
I think it's almost 2 hours. I kill him? No, he's a dead statue because
Back up, back up, back up!
what? You can't kill us. Well, I can. But only after you have something to hit it with.
What? What? I'll beat you there.
I beat the shooter button for now. Wrong way! Yeah, they changed it up. I know. I also just realized that at the same. What?
He's right there, he's right there! I didn't mean to do that.
Why did you shoot?
Let's go. This way.
So this way.
We need to go
Okay.
to Rubber Duckies.
I already found rubber ducky.
You did?
Bro, it's this way. My PR died.
You ready? Hello? Oh, his VR died. We got this.
Or KDs, I'm giving it to KD. Shot right. What? Any chance yet? Oh my god. Yeah, later.
Wait, I'm still recording. Frick, I don't know how to. Alright, we're playing Shackle. I'm new to this game, but why so much light? Shackle. Okay, guys.
This is like this. It isn't even a jump scare. It's not even scary.
Well, you know it. The horror mode used to be better.
So little and small. Big.
The horror mode used to be better.
Oh, there it is. He's coming behind you, bro. He was just.
The horror mode was
Bro, y'all
better.
are scared. Except for him. He's the only one who's not scared. Oh, bro, I'm not scared. I'm not scared. Then why are you coming? Bro. No, it doesn't. No. What the frick? Clown sound. Oh, shoot. I got Oh my god, you dropped the bomb.
These landmines or something?
Touch it. It won't kill you. Those are just landmines. Both disappeared. Both died. 1 minute. Oh shoot.
Oh.
Dude, I keep on hearing floating and then clapping. Hello. Hello.
Hey, I killed somebody!
I'm playing on Quest 2. Do you know where Henry the hamster is?
Yeah, where is Henry the hamster?
I know, bro. I can't even find him. This is my first time playing on Quest 2. Nah, this is my first time. How do you get drip? He's spawn camping. He's spawn camping. Hey guys, I think I know where to go. Wait, I'm gonna go get some drip. This actually never mind. Dude, that guy's spawn Mini games. Wait, Creator Central. What's Creator Central?
Jamie!
How do you get? It's a class meeting.
Monkey!
Have you guessed Schmackles? Does anyone here have the OG badge?
Monkey!
The OG badge.
Monkey!
Yeah. Schmackle. Hey, use the OG badge. Bomb. No. Oh my god, I'm a clap. I got well. Oh yeah, guys, I know that J-Man Curly created this game.
I know, because he likes.
Why wouldn't he? Have you heard of a game called Sigma Jumpers? Have you ever heard of? We never heard of it. I just blew someone up. Whee! Watch how high I could jump. Let's see. Oh shit! Whoa! I never jumped that high in my life. Hello. There you go. If you were Sigma, you would kiss J-Man. How'd you get this gun? Ah!
Guys, J-Man Curly's right there.
Where?
He's right there.
Kiss him. Dying. Kiss him. Oh, here. I can pull the plug. See you.
J-Man Curly.
That's not J-Man Curly. Oh yeah, that is. It is.
Can I pull your plug? Hit me the hamster!
Everyone, go to horror.
Where's Henry the hamster?
Everyone, I'm gonna blow up the monster. Guys, look. Hello? Look at me, I'm riding him. I'm riding it. Whoa. Riding the robot. But the robot's over here.
Monkey!
Nah, the robot's here. Oh, damn. Video snaps. No, come back here. No drip. Guys, we have to. Where should we go? Guys, what should we do?
Bo, is there like a horror map?
Yes, there is.
I'm looking for one. Let me in.
Yeah, if you want to go for a horror map, go into the middle of the game.
Okay. Wait for me!
So go in the middle of the map, and I'll tell you where it is. It's this in there. Horror map's over here.
Oh.
But the jump scare is not that scary. This cover your ears is loud.
Wait for me, friend.
So look, it's not even look. My only friends are people with the OG badge. In the OG. Why now? With this guy saying why now?
Is this Stranger Things? Oh my god.
John Toe, get your toes away from me. Wait, do we even have toes?
Is he stuck?
Yeah, Rosie. Did you know I'm the one that actually made John Toe? I'm the one that helped show my clothing. This one. Run!
boy. Yeah, I definitely recommend buying this, but you're like, it's really hard to move. Look, like you could, like your hands slip if you get to hit really hard, and if you like if you jump and click all your buttons in the middle quest, and you'll fly, basically. Hey, hey.
I was eating fries. You know the cravings I need. A burger, a Pepsi, what size? Whatever you could promise, I'll follow. Or anything.
Bye-bye!
Yo, bro, don't kill me! Don't kill me!
I won't kill you.
What did I do to you?
Oh crap. Did it go off? Oh.
No, get away from me. What's BTS?
Oh, come, don't go in there, don't go in there.
Why?
Cause it's the scariest map ever.
It's just BTS.
Bye-bye.
Hello!
Bye.
Aww. Bro, how do you fly?
Hey, hey, hey you!
Get away from me.
You can't outrun the Sigma.
Ha! I juked you.
That's not juke. That's a poop.
Wait, how do you get schmackles?
You have Smackle.
No, I go onto my phone. It says 0 schmackles.
Oh, yeah, that's it. I looked it up and it didn't work at all.
So you can't really get schmackles.
Ah!
I'm going into Creator Central.
It's super hard to do. He always runs, but it's really easy. I don't know why I said super hard. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Little kid! Bro. Yeah. And I think that would be it for this video, okay? So, see y'all next time. Peace out. Adios.